How to buy BabyPurpe, the BabyPurpe PayPay token. Now this is their X account. As you can see, they have a big community, so make sure to take a look on it. But before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, now just go and open your Screen account. If you don't have an account, just go and make one. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Now copy the token address and go to your Phantom wallet. Now after that, what you will to do is click on swap, and now as you can see, make sure to have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token, so enter how much you want to buy, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now after that, from the providers, select one of these, for example Jupiter. Now after that, make sure to exchange or change between these a percentage. So after that, what you want to do is by clicking on swap, and they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to be able to complete the buy process. Now you may see this icon, this lock icon. It means that all the liquidity is locked. It means that your investment in safe place. So this is how to buy the BabyPurpe token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.